Hi, Ricky here from Gadget Man Tech News Show. Today is one of two unboxings. So first of all, this is hopefully a new iPod from Apple. Remember I showed you an iPod Nano first generation with a replacement system. This should be my new one. Let's get into it. So, very light. I don't know if Apple actually put anything in here. So let's get some scissors for that tape. So scissors just go along the line here. There you go. Another one here as well. There we go. So inside here we've got one iPod Nano. This is the 6th generation one. This one there with the little touch screen, so that's nice. And here, to show you the letter. Dear Apple customer, this is just about, they replaced it for me for free, so that's good. So there you go. Got a brand new iPod Nano. I'll just bring it up there. Hope you can see this okay. So I've got a new light, so what I'll do is just turn it on. Hopefully Apple has put some charge into it. No, comes with no charge, but it's their nice aluminium one, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and thanks always for watching.